Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in your main navigation on your website. So what we are talking about today is how to create a drop-down menu like this, so that if someone's hovering over your menu, they can get these different options and click on any of those options. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to pages. It's actually quite simple, so we're going to do it right now. So what you'll see right here is a folder, and this folder houses these 3 links, which I can just easily reorganize. The page will refresh and I'll go in and I'll see that it has reorganized. So what you want to do is click with the plus sign on main navigation, or you could do it in the not link section if you're going to build it out and your site is live and you don't want everyone to see it while you do it. So you just click on the plus sign. I'll click on the plus sign down here. And then what I'll do is I will click on folder. And just like that, it's created a folder. Here you'll call it what you want. I am going to call this our company. Beautiful. So the first thing I'll do is I'll drag the about page down. And then I will actually drag our team page into the folder as well. And for example, this homepage does not need to be here. I'll get rid of that. Ta-da, done. And we have 2 about pages, so I'll just drag that in here as well. So now we have all 3. And then I'll just drag this back up here and I'll place it where I want. Here I put it right there. So services, our company, and then articles. Now our menu is a lot simpler, a lot easier to navigate. And then any of these pages people can quickly access by just clicking on it and they'll be on the page. What's cool too is this looks really good on mobile. In my opinion, out of the gate, it looks really clean. So you'll see it has a little arrow here. So it tells you there's a little bit more to look at. You'll click on our company or whatever link. And you'll see here, it just looks really clean. So somebody could easily navigate this, click on the page they want, and get out if they desire. Now, there's one last thing I want to point out. If you have a header navigation that looks like this, your items might be right justified, not left justified. So currently my items are left justified. We have a plugin on the site. It's only a few bucks. If you want it, it's a bit of code that will help you justify everything to the left because it's more natural. I don't know why it's not justified to the left by default, but if yours is to the right, it looks a little odd or a little funny, go to our website. The link will be down below. You'll be able to see the plugin, download it there, and use it on your site. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.